It's time to fall in love with your leftovers with my ultimate leftover sarnie. Start off by toasting this M&S Collection Christmas sourdough that has cranberries and stuffing and nuts in it. But I'm going to soak one of these pieces in some gravy. Then add another splash of the gravy to the bowl, grab yourself some mayonnaise and mix it together. And I'm going to spread that onto the 2 pieces of remaining toasted bread, turkey, pigs in blankets, some cranberry sauce, cheese, some leftover sliced sprouts. I'm going to put the gravy-soaked piece of bread in, get myself a piece of tin foil onto a baking tray, and then repeat all over again. This time, though, I'm going to use the festive chutney and blue cheese. The lid will go on with the gravy mayo. We're going to bake this in the preheated oven for around about 10 to 15 minutes. A couple of gherkins in the top. That is the ultimate Christmas leftover sandwich.
Subscribe to this channel for more tasty ideas.